If you are ready to buy your first home, here are 5 steps to help you get started. First, determine how much house you can afford. If you've decided that now is the right time to buy a home, you'll want to make sure you figure out how much you can afford before you begin looking at houses. Calculate how much you can afford each month for your mortgage payment. A good guideline is to try to keep your total monthly payment under 30% of your gross income. Keep in mind that the total housing payment includes principal, interest, property taxes, and homeowners insurance. It may also include private mortgage insurance depending on your down payment and loan type. Second, get your finances prepared for the mortgage process. You may feel ready to buy your first home, but you'll want to make sure you're financially prepared to buy it. Now is a good time to check your credit reports for any errors. You should avoid applying for any new credit until after you've closed on the home purchase, as it can interfere with your mortgage application. Make sure you have enough money saved for your down payment and closing costs. A typical down payment is between 3 and 20% of the home's purchase price and is to be paid at closing. Closing costs include expenses such as appraisal and title fees. During the mortgage application, you will need documentation to verify your income, so begin gathering your W-2s, pay stubs, and bank statements. Third, build your personal home buying team. Purchasing a house isn't a one-person job. It takes a team. This team should include a real estate agent and a mortgage lender. You will work closely with them during the home buying process, so make sure they are people you get along with and trust. Fourth, get pre-approved for the mortgage. Loan pre-approval boosts your credibility with sellers and real estate agents, as it shows you're able to get financing and are serious about buying a home. It may also make the process of applying for your mortgage quicker, especially if you obtain the loan from the same bank that pre-approved you. Lastly, don't forget to ask questions. Buying a house is one of the most significant financial commitments you will ever make, but it can also be an emotional and stressful process. Asking questions, no matter how silly they may feel, is a good way to reduce some of that stress. If you're ready to begin buying a home, talk to us at Bank of Prairie du Sac. We're here to help you every step of the way.